let's see how this goes. I thought I'd do something a little bit different this morning. Just a start to the day before we open up. Kind of a how we open up. But we've just got some interesting things going on at the minute in the shop. So I thought now would be a good chance. The hot office in this weather is like a greenhouse. It's worse than being in the oven. But anyway. Welcome to Painting Classic Cars and into the workshop. Sorry, the squeaky door. This is how we lock down at night, and I just thought I'd show you. We have the Transit, which today is Wednesday the 14th, I think, of July. Project done. That is now going back to the owner to be dry fit assembled today. Well, it'd be dry fit assembled today, but it's going back to the owner today. He'll do all the dry fit, and we'll see that later on. Probably next year now for colour. Currently parked underneath it, the 57 Cadillac, which by the end of this week will be into polyester. A car you've not yet seen, I don't think, a Crayford Mark 1 Capri, coming to the channel very, very soon. Also coming to the channel very soon. You have seen this car already, but the V12 Jaguar E-Type Roadster. Work's now underway with this one. The gargantuan 59 Cadillac is now fully assembled, panel-wise. It's fully flattened. We're now going to start assembling the stainless and the chrome before that goes over to Dan at Empire Automotive. Then we have a 997 Porsche here, which had a small repair down the back on the rear quarter panel there. We have panels here for the Series 3 Daimler 66. Which I've done this all wrong, so let's go for a wander up and over into the back room here. Well, I can show you a few other things going on. A little tour of the workshop here. This is our clean, prep and assemble room. And you'll notice we have everyone's favourite rusty Daimler estate in here at the minute, and I'll tell you why as we go through the shop. But there we go, that's all painted up. Ready to start the assembly process. There'll be a video coming on that very, very soon. Wings, bonnet, ready for colour. So I think that's my job later today, is to get those into colour, and we can start building up the Series 3 Daimler. As always, the 57 and the Capri, personal projects which remain mostly untouched. Although the 57 did venture out to one of our Roadhouse breakfast meets recently. We have the Lotus Elan, which has been paused momentarily. The customer's also got a Europa, which is in the process of being assembled elsewhere now. The company that are going to build this, our good friends Goblin, said don't rush to paint it because we're doing the Europa at the minute. So take your time, pause on that one. Finally, we have here Precision Panel Craft. Phil's stunning 356A Porsche. This arrived with us 2 days ago. We will, of course, be featuring this quite heavily on the channel. And this is as it arrived to us, and it is going to be stripped to all trim. All the holding prime is taken off, and we'll resume our normal Nova Classic car process. So that's that we've got on the go. Stairway up to our vast storage area. But the reason the Daimler is where it is, the estate, we had a big move around and tidy up. And we're about to get underway with this Mini. So we have all the panels now for this Mini, mounted on the rotisserie. So that's Owen's next big task. Again, we will be featuring all of this on the channel. Not quite a step-by-step as we go through this, but it will be featured heavily, and the metalwork build will be coming to you ahead of the paint. Tucked over behind it there, another little car that you've not yet seen. It's a Sunbeam Stiletto. I'm not going to show you too much with that because A, I can't get to it. Owen's got his tools and something in the way. But that's another build which will be coming to you very, very soon. The video has started on that one. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with this video. You might be seeing this on Friday, it depends. We're hoping to have the Cadillac all done and ready to go by the close of play Friday. but that doesn't mean I'll have the video all done for Friday. So you might end up having this waffling amble around the workshop as your Friday video and have to tune in next week for the Cadillac. But I just thought I'd show you the kind of thing that I walk into every single morning. So there we go. Progress on all these cars coming thick and fast now. Despite the heat, we're ploughing on through. And whenever you get to see this video, thank you for watching. I know it's not the most interesting of things in the world, but we'll be back with a full-length feature video very, very soon.